The lines between a Tuesday and a Friday seem to have blurred with this lockdown. Now, this might just be the new normal, but why should that stop you from having some fun? Let's reclaim our Saturdays and our formal spaces by creating this cozy, intimate party setup. Let's get started.
Start with a space open enough for everybody to sit comfortably. You can move around the light furniture to create more room and let the heavy sofa or chair be around for additional comfort. Now analyze your space and decide where you want to keep your heavy plants. Keep the heavy ones now because moving them later becomes a challenge. Place a large rug or carpet to define the seating zone. Now place a table or a floor lamp in a corner for added layer of lighting. We start adding the furniture by bringing in the floor cushions or mattress. Here, I'm using an upholstered foam seat. You could use a cotton mattress and cover them in bright colored bedspread. Add a coffee table to hold your snacks or drinks. Keep free space around it on all sides for easy movement. Now, add a side table for those seated in farthest corners from the coffee table. Bring in a couple of floor cushions that can be moved around to sit anywhere. A few cushions for added comfort come next. The final layer of plants comes next to complete the outside coming inside. Finally, to get the party started, keep a platter on the coffee table to hold the drink and snacks. This creates demarcation and clear spaces for the glasses on the table. Now bring in your choice of beverage, an ice bucket filled to the brim, and your favorite snacks added to your snack bowl. Place an assortment of coasters all around and line up your glasses. Now all you need is your loved ones and the intent of having fun. Last but not the least, experiment with different types of lighting to create varied moods throughout the evening. Cheers!